Ho, 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 ho.
Last interview sessions with the kids during Christmas time. Today we will be asking questions to Jacob, ELISA, and Stella. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Why do we celebrate Christmas?
Because Jesus is with us and He is born, and we spread our hearts to other people.
Because Jesus is born.
We celebrate Jesus. We celebrate Christmas because Jesus was born.
Do you like Christmas? Why do you like it?
Yes, because we spend time with our elves, and also they do mischievous. You can find them, you laugh, you have fun.
Because the elves are so cute.
I forgot the question.
Money or mommy and daddy? And
Mommy
why?
and Daddy.
Mommy and Daddy.
Mommy and Daddy.
They take care of us.
They take care of us. They buy us things. They give us happy things.
And they give us presents.
Love. They give us presents. They give us everything that we need for school. They give
us a lot of stuff.
What's your favorite Christmas food?
Candy cane. And a platter.
And
The Christmas meal.
and
The log.
yummy.
Is there anything you don't like about Christmas?
The Grinch.
Same. I like everything.
The Grinch.
Which Christmas movie do you like the most?
Home Alone. Grinch.
I love Home Alone. We watched New York City one.
Did your elves arrive this year? And
Yes.
how many?
Yes.
Yes.
One. Two.
Two.
One. Two.
Because one stays the whole day. Oh yeah. The whole one.
What's their names?
Jackson and Butchel.
Yeah. Elfie, Elfetta, Elfa, Natty.
Which one is your most favorite?
Jackson.
Jaxel. Elfie.
Jackson.
What did the elves tell you on their arrival note?
I forgot.
I remember.
He sent me a
something.
voice message.
I remember.
He said,
something.
hello, I'm coming soon. All I wanted is to decorate a box me. Thank you.
Okay, so I remember. I will be up to some mischievous, so then you will laugh and have fun.
Most funny elf position so far?
Stuck in a jar with ice. My most funny elf position was like this.
Mine was when he decided to get all my toys and play basketball.
He looked like this.
What would you like to get as a Christmas present?
A football.
Nannies.
A dog.
Santa or Jesus? And why?
Jesus, because he is the savior of the world.
Jesus, because he saves the world. Santa just gives
Jesus.
us presents.
Do you like giving presents or getting presents?
Giving
Giving.
and getting. I like
Giving
giving
and
and getting.
Even I.
Why do we give presents to each other?
Because we love them, and they get to see them. They're surprised. They don't know what you're gonna get. You get something funny.
Because of love.
And for Thanksgiving.
Same.
Can you sing a Christmas song you really like?
Yes.
Yes.
Jingle bell. Wait, not that one. Jolly one way. Happy Merry Christmas.
Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day
Rockin'
you tell
around
me if you're really there. So
Santa
make
Claus
me
is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming.
if you're
to
really there.
How do you
so make
feel
me find
when Christmas
out
is over?
again.
Sad.
Sad.
Very sad.
Sad.
Very sad because you don't get to see your elf. You don't get presents. Because
And you go back to school. Especially.
That's true. I don't want to go back.
What makes you happy in life?
Mommy, me. My
My
dogs.
squishmallow.
Animals. Dog. My dog.
My squishmallow. Rocks.
Soft toys.
Squishmallow. Wait, what?
That's it.
Are you ready?
Bella.